Hello students and welcome to English 101. In a face-to-face class you would have this teacher standing in front of you and introducing herself to you as your professor and telling you what was going to happen with the class the whole semester. Well, we have an online class rather than a face-to-face class, so I made this video for you to do the same thing. This is a picture of me and my husband. This was at a party that my kids threw for us at our 50th wedding anniversary. I've taught at VBC for over 35 years. That makes me old or seasoned or experienced, whatever you want to call it. But I love teaching English and I'm good at it. And I will help you to become good at writing essays and thinking critically. I now live in Texas, and the next slide will show you why. As I said, I've been married for over 50 years. Actually, it's 52, and my husband still likes me, which is amazing to me. Now, this is why we live in Texas now. We have a big family. There are 30 kids and grandkids and great-grandkids all within about an hour's drive from us. There's 22 that live in other places, but there's 30 that live here, and so that's what brought us to Texas. Now, as far as the class goes, what will each week be like? First off, you will usually have a reading and a discussion, and these are from the textbook, Reading Critically and Writing Well. It is very important that you buy this book because not only does it have the readings, which you can find online, but it also has chapters that will teach you a little bit about how to write the different types of essays you will be writing, like a position essay and a concept essay. And we will also have quizzes on those chapters. So make sure that you buy the book. And the grammar book, you'll need to buy it too. I'm sorry that we have to buy so much stuff, but that's the way college goes, I guess. But with the grammar book, I can give you a little bit of a break. I am going to be using The Least You Should Know About English 13th edition. But if you want to use a different edition, if you can get it cheaper, that's fine. It has the same basic outline, except it just will have different pages. You'll just have to find what page the assignments are on, either by looking in the index at the back or the topical guide at the front. You also will have a writing activity each week. It'll either be a pre-write or else it will be a peer review or revision or turning in an essay, but you'll be doing something with writing each week. And also with books, you'll have a novel that you're going to be reading in this class, but you will do it toward the end of the semester. Now, this might change some, but it will be the same basic structure each week, so you can kind of plan your life around it as far as this class goes. Now, what are you going to need to do for the class? First off, the syllabus goes into detail, and you will need to read it, and there will be a syllabus quiz about it. But basically, you need to do the assignments each week and play nice. It's called netiquette. There will be 3 major essays and a research paper, besides things like MLA tests, discussions, things like that. It isn't an easy class, and you are going to need to plan to work hard and plan to spend many hours each week working on it. But by the time you're finished, if you really work hard, you will know how to write all the essays you will need to write for the rest of your college career, or at least a good portion of them. Now, what if you have problems? Well, I'll work with you. I have been known to work with many students when they have had problems. There's sometimes when life gets in the way and you still want to succeed in the class, and if you work hard, so will I work with you. If you have any accommodations through Access, make sure that you email me right away. I've made this class in what's called Universal Design. That means that you should be able to access just about everything, but if you have any problems, email me right away. And if you get behind, also email me, and we'll see what we can do. Don't wait 6 weeks. Go for it right away, because I'm here to help you succeed, and that's what I want you to do. So that is pretty much what the class is going to entail.